Right now we here with Dollar Boy. He about to shut it down at Peabody Streets Most. You got Sonya in the house, one of the biggest producers in Cleveland. Promoters, Ridgeway Productions. We got my man, the Hustle Man, sitting in the corner. What it do, man? Talk to me for a minute, man.
Run the city. Take this shit somewhere else.
Easy money.
Right.
Easy money. What's going on, man?
You already know we in the building with
And don't forget OG Fred.
Dirty Low.
Yeah, OG Fred. We sitting right here with Dollar Boy. We sitting right here where we do numbers. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Talk to me. Talk to him.
About to get some good eating going on.
Let them know how you feel about Cleveland right now, man.
I'm fucking with my dog. He just dropped this new mixtape, you know what I mean? Y'all make sure y'all check that out, you know what I'm saying?
Right, all that.
Real recognize real. I'm fucking with the t-shirts. You see the t-shirts?
Straight shit.
You see that t-shirt?
Straight shit.
Yeah.
Straight drop, Pyrex, all that, man.
I've been told you
You
Whip
press
Gang
home,
crazy.
money. Wall Street, from the walls to the street, from the walls to the street.
I've been told you Whip Gang crazy over here.
You know what I'm saying?
Watch me stay down.
That right?
Where everything's real.
And you gotta get OG Fred.
OG, man, talk to me for a minute, man. How you feel about this Easter Sunday, man?
Oh, it's on.
It's
How you
going
feel
down.
about this Bridgeway, man? How they doing? What y'all got going, man? Top of the line.
How you feel about Bridgeway, man? The promoters, one of the biggest promoters in Cleveland, putting it together.
Yes, sir.
2 Chainz, Dollar Boy, and all that.
Right. And Easy Money only
Street
fuck on
Smoke.
top of the line. I'm fresh home. I got this shit. I told y'all I wouldn't lie. It's in, man, and we here, man. We doing what we do.
All you got in the street is your name, and we here right now, Street Smoke TV.
IMG is the kid, man.
Chilling with Dollar Boy
We in here.
at the Embassy Suites.
Gas and the cigarellos, and that's us. We
You
out.
know,
We
Dollar
out.
Boy in the building.
Dollar Boy in the building. Easy Money in the building. Believe that. Do this shit. Straight drop a mixtape. This shit is uncut, real pure. I put this shit together in 2 weeks. No pen, no pad. Quit playing. Footage coming to you soon. You already know what it is. Underworld to Click. Free Big Flu. Shout out to Wood. Fuck the fake niggas. We here.
Take us out, Dollar.
We out chill, man. Duffel Bad Boys, 2 Gun Gang. Man, we at the Peabody's tonight. We gonna put on for the city. If you ain't there, you ain't nowhere, cause we out
We
chill.
at the Embassy Suites.
All the bad hoes come down
This
here.
is Street Smokes. This is Street Smokes TV. We sitting here with Dollar Boy. They about to shut it down. You understand? From ATL to Cleveland.
That
You
right.
understand me? The whole clique is here.
Southside.
It's going down, man.
We're in the Embassy Suites right now, doing the bit, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Getting our mind right, you know what I'm saying? On a little medicine or whatnot.
You know, ain't your mama when we talk
We ain't
that
gonna show
serious,
y'all
we
that
ain't.
though.
We ain't gonna show y'all that. We gonna keep it commercial. Fade to black.